Hey guys, we got this homegrown light up terrarium kit for kids. It's a do it yourself dinosaur educational toy or a science craft project gift ideas. You can give it to any boy, girl, or any age. So you can see like what you get inside this box is all the things that you need to put in your terrarium. So let's open this and just see. So the manual, description, everything like how it's there, some stones, some things, and everything is in this glass jar. So there, we say there's a glass jar. There is dinosaurs like the plastic one as a toy, white rock, sand, volcano, tweezers, soil perfect, and the marigold seeds. Also have a user guide, some palm trees, some glue rocks. So this is all there, and this is a nice glass jar. So these are the dinosaurs, the plastic dinosaurs, the plastic volcano, and some palm tree and stuff. So the thing is for the kids to enjoy that they can make it themselves and then have a little fun in doing the stuff. As you can see in the manual, this describes almost everything like how you need to put the rock, how you need to put the sand. So let me just I just put the rock and the mud before to speed up this video, and also now I'm putting the sand. My kids is helping with me, so he can also have some fun, but just for the video's sake I'm just trying to do it a little bit by myself, so I can just show it clearly on the video. So you have these two color sands here, and you can just put in the sand, then you have to put the more this soil one, and you have to put some water so that it will just swollen up and comes into the actual soil form. So you can see here this making a cake of the soil, and then as soon as I'm just putting the water, it is just swelling up. So yeah, you can see like it's all swell up, and then I was putting some soil here. So once you put in the soil, you start decorating with it. So put in the volcano. These are the tweezers to put in the stuff. So there's a palm trees that you can put and decorate the way you want. Put in some dinosaurs, put in the stuff, and this also have the marigold seed that you can put. So I will show that later on. So once you put all these things, there is some of these glow rocks that you can put in. This is how you can adjust the LED. You have to take out that protective cover from the battery, and then you can use it with the LED light. So if you just rotate it to that level, it will brighten up, or if you loosen up, it is like shutting it off. You to just save the battery, you can turn it off in the daylight time, or you can use it in the night time. It's totally up to you how you want to use this one. So you can just put it in here, and you can see all of those stuff. So I put in the seats, I put in everything. This is how this looks with the LED light, with all this, and this is a color changing light on the top that you can use, and you can, as I said, like you can press and see. So this looks really nice as a showpiece also, or as a night lamp, the way you want to use it. And then you can also see like how the plants grow. So there's a little bit dirt, but I just keep it because I put in the seed and I want to see like the actual effect. You can also just clean up. So this is after some days that this plant start coming up. Hope you can see inside it. So that's what I want to show like from inside that how this plants look. So basically a very nice learning thing for the kids, their own fun stuff, and the plants are growing up here, the small plants. So nice thing for the kids.